And now it's time for the JobBox.
Hi, I'm Greg Breeden with this week's JobBox. Today we're going to be looking at the impact wrench. Before you use this tool, you must be wearing the proper PPE, which includes safety glasses, hearing protection, a face shield, and mechanics gloves. Hazards you will encounter while using this tool include flying debris, rotating parts, and excessive noise. There are several things you want to check before using your impact wrench. You should inspect your wrench for wear or damage. Inspect your hoses for cracks, leaks, or wear, and that every coupling has a whip check and safety pin. Make sure your work area is clean of clutter and debris and has adequate lighting. Also, make sure your hose is routed clear of all sharp objects, hot surfaces, to prevent damage while in use. And finally, you should make sure that the socket you want to use is the right size and is an impact socket. Chrome sockets are not engineered for impact and will break. With your impact wrench securely connected, you can set your air compressor to the proper pressure. Never exceed a gun pressure rating of 90 psi. Set the switch to remove or tighten and apply appropriate pressure squarely against the bolt and socket. Then you engage the trigger. You should never hold impact sockets, universal joints, or extension joints while impact tools are running, and you want to make sure the contact between the socket and fastener is always snug. Remove your finger from the trigger once the bolt is tight or the nut has come loose. You can now detach the air supply and properly store the tool. That's it for this week's JobBox. I'm Greg Breeden. Y'all be safe.